Hey yo Mzansi, it's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream, Intona King Indlovu bafethu. It's going crazy, it's going bananas. Welcome to King Ginger TV. Thank you so much Mzansi. We are on 142,000 subscribers because of you. But as we all know, we are on the road to 200,000 subscribers Mzansi. Tell a friend to do the right thing. Subscribe palapo. Mpinde ngibonge nje for looking fresh. Jabu Stone is doing the right thing. Wenza show ukuthi Dread ye King. Iyaklita mntanami. Thank you to Jabu Stone. Issue. Today is the day bafethu abantu bayahlukana and mina ngiyabasiza. Mawuthi nawe unenkinga nomuntu wakho udinga usizo lami, I am here to help you break up with your person, with your partner. Umjolo mawuphele bafethu. Umjolo the pandemic, umjolo is the prison. Abanye bathi umjolo will kill you. Don't die kumjolo, survive kumjolo ngokuthi nihlukane. King Ginger, today angazi bangiphatheleni but ngifuna ukuyocheck ebhodweni ukuthi baphekeni. Take me to it. Hey yo, boo! It's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. But some demand to Mabuyu, Bambolunu, Fast. Welcome to Andrew Sakufu. On this show is whereby I give people a platform to break up. No way, bring it up now. Hey! What made you go to Why the people? Why the We are back at it, Mtanami. My name is King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Tona se King Indlovu bafethu and I'm doing what I do best. Uyazi ngisiza abantu ukuthi bahlukane. Mzansi, I urge you, hlukanani. This is the ambassador of umjolo, King Ginger. Uthi nje hlukanani. Today ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi my brother ukhala ngani. Ngizocela nje ukuthi ngimsondeze kube uyo sichazelayo ukuthi istory sakhe sithini, why engibizile, why efuna ukuthi size lana and why efuna sizwe indaba yakhe. Sondela mfowethu zivele ikhale. Oh ngasi ngicela uhlale ngapha buthi. Thank you. Are you good my brother? Sharp wethu ubani igama mfowethu and why usibizile?
Kurame Martin and Samala Jobek and then eshna kufika la down in the Ntemaka esikolo.
Sure.
So apparently sesinde college and then hlangana na Tsiamo and then ngiranza blind Tsiamo esh. Nawe loko afika la utangibona kuriya usaseke blind.
Yeah. So what was the problem? What made you guys break up?
So since rukujolene ani nifika nisungule ukujola boma January loko nifika la akuri ba mati 15 loko nhlangana first time.
Okay.
And then anibona connecta grand nibona silo sifamba kahle nibona ku nga ri na problem and then anranzana dewe ya ti conversation na ku ansakisa wona. Se masiku lama since after Valentine munhu wako se nifana nungirabelela nifana nungilandzelela se nihleketa ngaku una munhu the way nisibonisa so hiku uncincele ndlela n'wana mani sitwisisi ene mbilu ya mehe ya vava ku nize niteka mali ka loko va ni sendela mali va ku ni xava laptop na timpahla ta nyuwani for ku ndlungisela lembe leri for xikolo.
Manje umusumupha nemali yakho leyo uyithole ekhaya uyishare naye?
Yeah, anise kota ku tirha se loko something lexi ni xi kumaka at least nyana ku ri na mene ni va comfortable na girlfriend ya mehe ni nga twi nga ku yi ta famba yi lava swilo le handle ni ri koho se ya na struggle financially na va ni zama kaya a ku na mali yin'wana ni dependa ka yona hiku even ni nghena private college Denlin so the fees ti tela ku na mali ya ku va ta nyika justice so se ni nyika timali loko ni kumayana nambi va nyika 500 kuma kume 300 ni teka nyika ye se mara masiku lama and before your Valentine loko ni ta tirhisa timali ta ti-laptop na mali ya timpahla majita va kha va ni byela le campusini ku ri man va n'wi vona la tindhawini loko va kha va famba se na mina vona na foni ya na ani access
Yeah.
unzela ka nga se va ready ku level ya relationship ifika kwalana ende me anlavi relationship nyana ya ku nga ku no la ku phusha nkarhi
Sure.
oro yini nda munhu loyi ni nga ta n'wi teka na me ni n'wi yisa kaya one day ni ku insati wa mehe kama na mehe wa vona se
So ecampusini bathi bambona enzani?
we ri va n'wi vona ku na mfana wun'wanyana a nga na golf laha campusini so every time va ri va tshama va n'wi vona a ri ndzeni ka golf u pfa a chika golf loko a suka a ya xikolweni se
So Awutiyam, right now you've took your decision, so awusamfuni empilweni yakho. You want it out. You want to tell her that it's over.
a ni la ku za ni tikuma ni dya nkarhi swi swa ku swi nga yi ka helo kahle kahle se ku ri yi nga si fika kule ni yi tsema kwala
Kwala manje.
ni yi tsema kwala and then
Uqale. So wena ukhona nomunye umuntu osujola naye umusha njengoba usubona lona ukuthi uyafeba ecampusini.
mara a ni nga lavi ta ku n'wi byela ku na munhu vele loyi sweswi ni nga busy nyana na yena mara a hi nga si va serious
Okay.
a ko va
But sekuzoba serious ngoba manje uyamshiya lo.
hikuva na chance yin'wanyani na mehe ni mujita ni nge tshami ni ku
Yeah, true.
ni ta yimela yehe a za va grand nkarhi a wu kona so ni ta tizamela loyi ku na yehe ni twa a ni khoma kahle
Yeah.
nga na tebaya ni twa a tlharihile nyana swilo leswi a swi vulavulaka
And you happy.
swi make sense so swi ni endla happy and
So tell me,
na ku teka next step ka relationship
makafika la ufuna ukumtshela ukuthina usamfuni?
mina na ta n'wi byela ku ri swi herile hikuva a ni nge swi koti ku hanyisiwa so
konje ubani phethe igama lakho?
Martin
Yena umuntu wakho lona?
Tsiyamo.
Tsiyamo.
Hello.
Hi Tsiyamo, you are speaking to King Ginger.
Okay.
Yes.
Hi.
Nginomathini sila epakini njengoba ubuwazi ukuthi uMathini ufuna ukukubona namhlanje sesikulindile sila epakini sicela ukuthi uze.
Okay.
Okay. Woza ke silinde wena sisi.
Sharp.
Usho my brother. Usho ukuthi ufuna ukumlahla and usho ukuthi angeke lokho ubuyela kuyena yomncenga.
For peace mbili na me ni twa nga ku ni vone enough so ani nge forced ni push
And seka bayakuhleka manje lapha ecampusini mabakubona.
nga ku ni joke wa vona ku ri na tishomi ta yeda mani loko ni hundza ku ri nga ku kahle va ni teka va ni yaja blind se ni nge swi koti ku van'wanuna wa ku ni ta tshama ni nyajama vavanuna van'wana wa vona
It's not right.
na mina ku avoid ku ri ni tikuma ni ri tinyimpini na vanhu na ku create enemy
Sure.
sa antswa ni n'wi tsema and then ni vona ku mahlweni ku ni khomele yini
I mean, I just want you to be happy mfethu and I want you ukuthi nane decision oyithathayo uyimele mfethu yabo le nto leyo and na ukuthi ube grand khona uzokwazi ukuthi uthole freedom yakho wherever you go bangalokhu bekuhleka futhi uyaybo le nto leyo. Now we out mfethu.
kasanzentala ku stan nika peace ndzeni ka mehe stan nika ku ri na me ni va na ntsako ku ri ni vulavule na ye kahle a ni zanga ni nga n'wi ghosta or something so ku ni vona ka a ni voni ku na ri na chance na ye ku ri u ni vavise ngopfu ene na swi vo ku hi ku na ku fika na la joni phela na swi twa switori swa laha ku ri vanhwanyana va lava bayizisa se
it's the first thing our parents tells us before we come to Joburg that we must be careful of women in Joburg because they will hate. True. No mfethu uye yena umuntu wakho lwana. Too much sondela usho
na membili ya me ya vava ku ni fanele ni endla so
shu waza sis waza ngapha ngahlala ngapha sisi unjani?
Ngiyaphila unjani?
Ngiyaphila. So uMathini lana uyangitshela ngawe the way yakuthanda ngakhona na the way eniphathane kahle ngakhona wena ungathi yini oyithanda ngawo Mathini?
Personally I just love how caring he is, how loving he is. Ungiphethe kahle, asinenkinga. We don't fight. The relationship may be a bit boring sometimes, but yeah, ayekho bad, right?
All right. And you're happy now?
Most definitely.
Most definitely. Umathini kunento afuna ukukutshela wena ke and ngicela ukuthi umlalele.
Okay.
Umathini khuluma mfethu.
Noma ngikubitela namunhla ku anar na peace loko ni tshamile ku fana na before loko ihlangana. So makale I'm sorry ku va ni veka so mara
Mtshele ungalokuxolisa.
akuna ndlela yin'wana leyi ni nga ta endla so ku ri na ku na wehe u va u ri na closure ndzeni ka wena.
Yeah.
Mara me ni vona nga ku sa antswa hambana ku
Akasafuni.
untwa ti-rumors ni ku byerile ku va rini and then sweswi it's swa kula and then vona na behavior ya cinca foni ya wena a wu pfumeli na ku ni accessa so
Okay, ngicela ukukhuluma.
Yeah, khuluma.
So, I have a few questions. Firstly, why did you have to come here so that uzongitshela ukuthi awusangifuni? Like, in front of the cameras, really?
Yeah, angithi nawe umjolela in front of people esikoleni.
Sharp. Angithi bengithi ngiyakhuluma. I didn't give you a chance to speak. I'm still speaking. Thank you.
Okay.
Secondly, why, if you knew that you weren't happy, ungangitshelanga? Like, why wasampelela?
mara ni ku byerile before
And another thing is, why umamela di rumors? Why usatla ko notlomputsa gore babe,
no
I
phela
heard that you are cheating or
Na-
You
whatever.
are.
na va
Nigga, I'm
vona
still
na tichomi
talking.
ta vona va fana lava loko
No.
no hundza tshama va vona va
sharp.
ni
Watama ini akinataba. But you were supposed to come and ask me, gore, I'm hearing rumors. This is what's happening. This is how I'm feeling. I think I should. Then ribu fatse ribu. No, kitlile kislaila no.
Mara ni ku byerile ku
Kislaila, I'm the biggest
after-
fool here. I'm being painted
But
like I'm
mlalele
just
sister
here.
ukuthi uthini
Going, I
akakaqedi.
don't know.
abo after Valentine Day we
Yeah.
unga acta isone
Yeah. When
After-
Ngiyenzeka kanjani?
nizamile kwendla hinkwaswo leswi ni nga swi kota ni teke mali ya mina if ni ku byela kahle u ni ku byela ntiyiso mali ya ni kuma kwini ni teke mali leyi va nyike ku ni ta xava laptop ni xava timpahla ku ni ta sungula lembe kahle
Yeah.
kaya wa swi ta ku a ni tirhi ni student
heartless.
and then man we va famba vanhu va ni byela ku
Not
ri
you saying I'm heartless, nigga. You don't know what's going on.
va famba
Okay, it's fine. Carry on.
loko va ni byela va fana lavaya na loko ni hundza laha ku ri na swi vona ku vulavuriwa hi mehe ku vulavuriwa na hi tisayini in the way
Okay, ask Iskopo Poza.
Yeah.
But if you knew that you don't have money, I mean, why ungasho? Why didn't you say, I don't have money to do this whole big thing that I wanna throw for you for Valentine's, fully knowing that a month later it's my birthday. You did that, you strangled yourself, and now so young tripela cause I don't know what did I do.
No akakutripheli sisoma uyakutshela ukuthi wena overspendisile ngevalentine.
even your birthday.
Angilwi. No.
Okay, sharp. I'm
He
going now.
va ta endla ni birthday ku ri ya ka vohe va ma-4
Shit.
va ma-4 ye mina hi lunch in 12 loko se hi vuya ni ku hi ta ku ri le kuseni ndlwini hi luya hi 4 ri wa famba
Yeah. So uqonda ukuthini
Yazi uyangichaza uzenze magistrate
No
lana.
angizenzi umagistrate.
Indaba zabantu
Mubulele,
abayithupha.
mtshela ukuthi ngevalentine wena ngevalentine wenze i-outcome ukuthi
Sekujola nawe manje.
mina
Oh, now you can't speak.
like ngibize lo muntu azosiza mina
yeah. Yeah ungangifaki.
Ngimvukelako, atafuna mina
Angikufaki usifaki.
we yingisela mehe sukela
Akufakile, so sesiyajola si-3.
Sister wena
Okay.
overspendise my brother
sesi ana laptop ana laptop ya kudyondza
Did I ask you to sell your damn laptop?
No. You wanted a lot of things.
Did I ask you to sell your laptop? Yes or no?
mara ni endle mhaka ni ku
No, you
rhandza
are not answering my question.
Ukwenze
Did I
ngokuthanda.
ni
ask
nga
you?
tshembi ku siku ra so ri ta fika nomtlha u ni endlela
Okay,
so
guys, it's fine. I I'm the bad guy. It's fine.
You are the bad guy
I'm
and you are the
listening.
guy here. You are the bad guy.
I will wear my crown then.
Yeah. And
Yeah,
can I
no.
tell you another thing? My brother akasakufuni siswami. So stop.
Okay, sharp. Angithi ukhuluma awumuphi chance ukuthi ayishena ngomlomo wakhe. Angithi bosasho ukuthi
okay me sharp we
I mean,
me sharp we analavi nchumu xa ku nhlanganisa na wehe
Thank you.
and then ke thotse motho so
Yes.
I will try the new relationship and then
Yes.
I think
And they continually bafana abanyana babo
indlela
esikolweni.
yakho itanywa tani ukuya mina
Why like I'm not doing anything? Like
You are-
so you are
No,
deciding to
you are
leave me
not-
because of the rumors.
Why phone ya wehe u tshama loko u yi tumbeta ku ri anlana ku yi vona ni lavi ku
Okay,
na ta
here's
yi
my
vona.
phone. Take
No,
my
no, no,
phone
no.
then.
No, akafuni ukuyi-check azizile uzocheck amaphone.
No, like
decidile
no, it's
wehe
No, no, no.
hanya leswi
It
swi lavaka
doesn't
na
want
mina
you.
ni ta hanya leswi ni swi lavaka hi ku ni nge swi koti ku ri
so you decided to dump me in front of
I'll
everyone.
consider it wa swa ku a ni tirhi mara u lava tiflower ta ka Woolworths
Yeah.
u lava ni ku xavela
Yeah.
watch ya 7,000 ni yi kuma ku hi mali ya lembe
Uzoyithatha.
Okay,
Udla
so
imali ye-laptop ngenxa yakho.
if I love flowers from Woolworths, why didn't you buy me a flower pot then so I can grow my own flower?
mara
Yezwa nje lo mntana lo.
Utshama usibona kwini sasa?
Yo ufuna into eziningi
I'm
wena.
giving you answers to
mara
think out of the
i same
box. You
price,
have to
i
think out
same
of the
price.
box.
Sure.
Ka Woolworths ku ri pot or iflower enjani it's
No,
same
no.
price.
Why do you have to? Why kumele umbhayile i-pot plant lo? Why engayithengele ne-pot plant
Angavula-
why aratadile asad?
So uyangicasula ngizothatha le dress lakho.
Why uthanda izinto ongayi-afford?
Wena.
Hayibo.
Wena.
Hayibo.
I love things I can afford. So what must I do? Kill myself?
Mtshele mfethu usamfuni.
Niyaxava swilo leswi na grocery ya mehe
Mtshele usingaze sifike ukuthi
Ngafisa utwa.
Okay.
Ngafisa ukuphuka
ti-can food ntsena a ni koti na ku xava xixevo fridgini ni tata fridge ya
It's
mina
fine. Salam lithu lo jwale ngilithi nna ke a tsamaya. I'm out of here.
Hamba,
because You're not fucking
Hakuna
embarrassing
problem.
me.
we are not fucking, you are fucking.
that's all fine
Ukuzame uyayibona even amaphoyisa igijima lana uyintombazane siswami you will sleep in a jail and the college otsena ngohoyona batla ukuba untache na
You know what I'm
you
gonna
fucking
do?
fucking
No, look. This is what
we are
I'll do.
looking.
No, you are not looking.
bona famba ya hanya vutomi bya wehe
Stay nice, guys.
Stay nice yani
Wabo ukuthi
wena
kanjani?
kansozwa ngawe lana
Bye.
nawe bye
angibona munhu
yenza ngeke sithuke ingane ungenza yenza umuno bye
hayi ngisukela bo munhu wa koho ku hanya njhani loko u vulavula naye u ta ku endlela so nga kume no va xin'wanana ni koti ku vona ku ri wa ni bayizisa la tlhelo
asikiswe na out yami yazo asikise mfethu but how do you feel njengoba ukwazile ukuthi umtshele lo ukuthi awusamfuni lo ngoba lo kujwayela kabi lo
at least sesintsakela ku ri na munhu loyi sesinava ku ya naye mahlweni evutomi bya mina
uyahlanya
u
lona
ta va ri sharp
Yeah.
na mina ni khensa ku ri na hatle ni swi vona ka ha ri nkarhi otherwise a ni ta va ni fike kule blind ku ti onhela swi swa mehe
wenze kahle mfethu wayiphatha kahle wenze kahle wayilimita mfethu cause lo udinga ukuthi ugankaze kanjena mfethu uma sebhayiza
Ah, ni va
and
ringa-
ubonile ampuri kimulahla kampama
a va ri nga bi vavasati ani
wapenga mo wapenga lo
a wu la ku ni pengisa a wu la ku ni pengisa xitayele xa wena.
welcome thatha nangu my brother umfake ebhasini khona sovala ishow we will take you home no worries we will take you mthathe hamba no welcome how do you feel are you good
hayi sen grand manje seni happy na munhu wa mina u ta swi vona ku ri hawa
ya umuntu
ya
wakho
mahlweni,
musha
yeah.
ya mfake ebhasini mfethu
Thank you.
yes guys today I don't know what happened with my language now it ran away ngizama kubulabula akubulabuleki namhlanje which means the masters wakubulabula was here this girl this one hey I nearly yabona lo long term lo office lo le extension code le I nearly I thank God and my ancestors for protecting me not doing something only police ngiyaqala mina ukubona ingane mayilahlwa ikoloze kanje kolozela ukulahlwa take me home. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Got some demand to Mabuyu, Bampolunu, Stars. Welcome to Andy Sakufu. On this show is where I give people a platform to break out. No way, bring it up now.
Hey, isishintshile like towards you.
What made you go to Why the food that? Why the food? Why would you go on? Why would you go on? Why would you go on? Inkingi usekhathele isena